Hello Daad learning community. I am Amna. Today I am discussing the evolution of rapid delivery. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for rapid delivery options has reshaped the way we shop and receive goods. Rapid delivery refers to expedited shipping services that promise swift transportation and delivery of products to consumers' doorsteps. This evolution in logistics has been fueled by the desire for immediacy and convenience. Key aspects of rapid delivery options: speed and efficiency. Rapid delivery services promise accelerated shipping times, reducing the waiting period between purchase and receipts of goods. Diverse delivery models. Companies offer various delivery models including same-day delivery, next-day delivery, express shipping, and even ultra-fast options like within the hour or instant delivery. Technological integration. Innovative technologies such as route optimization algorithms, real-time tracking, and delivery drones enhance the efficiency and accuracy of rapid delivery services. Customer expectations. The rise of rapid delivery has heightened customer expectations, with many now expecting faster shipping options such as a standard offering. Impact and considerations. Competitive advantage. Business offering rapid delivery gain a competitive edge by meeting customer needs for speed and convenience. Logistical challenges. Ensuring efficient logistics, managing inventory, and coordinating rapid delivery services pose challenges for businesses. Environmental impact. Expedited shipping often involves higher energy consumption and carbon emissions, prompting concerns about sustainability. Cost considerations. Expedited shipping typically comes at a premium cost, which may influence purchasing decisions for consumers and operational costs for businesses. Future trends. The future of rapid delivery options is poised for further innovation. Advancements in autonomous vehicles, drone technology, and last-mile delivery solutions aim to revolutionize the speed and efficiency of deliveries while addressing the sustainability concerns. Rapid delivery options have transformed the retail landscape, offering unparalleled convenience and immediacy to consumers. While meeting the demand for speed, businesses need to navigate logistical challenges and balance the consumer expectations with cost effectiveness. As technology continues to evolve, the future of rapid delivery promises further enhancements in speed, efficiency, and sustainability. Thanks for supporting us. Please share your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you join our community of learners and achievers, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.